Hello, my friends. It is Liz here on behalf of Class Act. I did not announce that we're doing a surprise unboxing video, but I thought maybe I'd catch some of you live, maybe a few of you on replay. I've been keeping a secret from you guys, and it's been so hard, but we have a brand new release from 49 Market, the brand new CottageCore collection from South African designer Dennis Burton. It's amazing. So I wanted to share this with you guys while it's like fresh, hot off the press. Today is the first day that we can actually share it. So I'm very excited. If you see anything you like, hop on the website, classact.ca, click on shop, click on new arrivals and the month of November, and that should bring you right to the selection that we have. But be forewarned, apparently this is one of 49 Market's best-selling collections in the last 18 months. So they have more pieces in production, but they're already running out of stock for things. So it's really popular, and I can totally see why. Starting off quickly, we have the 6x8 collection. This is a gorgeous collection of pattern papers. This pack here includes 24 different sheets, 2 of each 12 double-sided pattern papers, and then they included 2 extra pattern sheets on the inside of the covers that you can actually fussy cut as well. Here's a snippet of all the different odds and ends that are included in this collection. Then this is like very great for documenting recipes. So they actually have a specific recipe card pack that goes along with this collection. This is the kitchen edition. So here you can write down your recipes from the kitchen of ingredients, directions, prep time, cook time, serves, ratings. You can make special notes on these. Wonderful for journaling special moments in the kitchen as well. So beautiful little recipe cards here, various sizes. So there's 6 5x7, 6 4x6, and 6 6x4 inch recipe cards. So even if you just bought these and did like a cute little recipe book over the holidays, 10 out of 10. We have epoxy coated stickers or enamel stickers for the CottageCore collection. These feature numbers, so you could actually, for example, include them in your ratings. There are stars, little salt and pepper shakers, utensils, and all kinds of fun things hiding in this collection. Washi sheets. These are 6x12. And I'm obsessed with like the patterns. You have some baking ingredients. You have all kinds of utensils, cookware, a feast, as well as all kinds of vegetables. They also, for this collection, released a set of blendable rub-on transfers. There are 2 in this pack. And one fun fact, they use Canadian spelling for a lot of these because the designer is South African. So I appreciate that as a Canadian. I think you guys might as well. No American spelling. Or if there is, they duplicate it, I think. So love that feature. Hi, Trish. Hi, Anne. Thanks for joining, ladies. Sorry, it's impromptu, but I couldn't resist, and I thought I had a couple minutes before dinner. Thought I'd hop on and share with you guys. Then we have the CottageCore laser cut out elements. There are 2 different laser cut elements for this collection. This one features little cozy elements of home. So you have things like chairs and clocks, fireplaces, beautiful archways, kitchen tables. It's so cute and very like cottage, country inspired. I guess the designer actually took some inspiration from things like tiny homes. So you can really appreciate like the detail that they put into this collection. It is gorgeous. They also released a set of laser cut elements with various food items. So the great thing about this one is they actually sorted it. So you have like your baking icons, they're kind of grouped together. So this is like your feasty icons or your entrees. Then they have one that's like specifically herbs, and then there's one that's like fruits and veggies, and obviously the delightful cakes and baking ingredients mixed in between. I think this color scheme is absolutely gorgeous. I totally agree. Then they released die cut elements. So this is a really, really fun pack. It comes with things like, if I flip it over, maybe you can see. So you get all these beautiful scripty words. You get things like tradition, enjoy every moment, family, thankful, memories, grateful, family makes this house a house. This is my happy place. And then they have all of these delightful little country cabinets and doors and frames and all kinds of gorgeous ephemeras that go along with this. Little bottle caps, tags, say no more. Then they again took it a step further with the rub-ons. They also released all of these wonderful little additions. So you have things that are sort of like washi tape inspired. You have some splotches, all kinds of little texts and things. Remember, life is full of great memories in a rich one. It's a life full of great memories is a rich one. There we go. And so on and so forth. And then there are 3 sheets in this particular pack of the rub-on. So love, love, love. You're getting 3 sheets for $6.89, which is a phenomenal price point. And it's 49 market rub-on, so they are like 10 out of 10. Super easy, super fun to use. They also released this CottageCore tote, which, like, how adorable is this? It's shelves full of dishes. Very, very, this is like, screams antique store. I love it. And then inside of your totes, you guys will actually, there's the reverse side. You guys will actually find a little pack of coordinating enamel dots as well. Sort of like an olive color. So stinking cute. They also sent a collection bundle. So this is a 12 by 12 collection bundle, but it actually has like the best elements of everything. So you get the paper, you get some of the laser cuts, you get the wishing baubles, the blendable rub-ons, and then a few little die cut pieces as well. So this is like covers all your bases. So much fun to work with. If you love the collection and you don't want to like invest an arm and a leg, just invest in this bundle and you get like a little bit of everything. Definitely enough to play with and come up with something phenomenal. Then, last but not least, they have the 12 by 12 collection pack. So this is really, really lovely paper. It's got, again, the shelves. It's got journaling cards and like parquet sort of flooring, some different wood grains and plaids and just all kinds of fun patterns. And again, it's just that beautiful color scheme that does not translate on my camera, but like, trust me, it is stunning. So that's my rant. And then last but not least, we actually got the opportunity to participate in a CottageCore workshop where we were able to assemble a beautiful little album. And we have 5 bundles available for you guys as well. So if anyone's interested, check out the link that I attached to the video. I believe it retails for $89.99. And it's so stinking cute. So here's the front of my album. The door actually opens, so you could post a photo of like your front yard, for example, and just have it like sort of interactive like that. Very like homey feel. It's got like all kinds of elements like figs. Here's one of the little stoves that are in the die cut packs. Then if we open it up, here's the front cover. Our story begins here. Then there's this page, thankful. Cooking is like love. It should be entered into with abandon or not at all. And then I have these labeled tabs. So I have things like appetizers, bread and pasta, breakfast, desserts, and you can customize them to your own needs or liking. There are all kinds of different rub-ons to choose from. Then if we go to my second page, you will see this lovely waterfall with recipe cards. So you can flip through, decorated with washi tape here. But it was a really fun project. I highly recommend if you guys are looking for like a wonderful gift for somebody who's like a first-time homeowner, or just a wonderful Christmas album, for example. This collection is phenomenal. So it's not too girly, it's not too masculine, it's a great balance. Then we have this little recipe card here. Shuffle it over. There's the back. So you can write down at least 2 recipes on there. You get this little sort of space where you can actually add your own photos. You can do some journaling. Very, very fun. Life is what you bake of it. Moments to treasure. The aroma of freshly baked bread is a language of its own. So that's for bread and pasta. Then there's this section here where you can add your own photos. You could do journaling again. You could add more recipes if you want. You can customize your albums to your liking. But the workshop is great because it definitely gives you instructions and a starting point. And we're working on getting a video up as well, sort of a video tutorial to follow along with, which I found very helpful. The little things, cute little shelves, all kinds of decorations. Very, very nice. I made this myself, guys, so if I can do it, you can definitely follow along. It looks like you're a professional, though, I will say. I'm quite pleased with the final result of this project, and it was so fun to make. This collection is just so heartwarming and so charming. So top secret recipe. Again, you can add photos. You have some recipe cards in there, more photo spaces. So this is such a family heirloom. You can hand it down for generations to come. This page has little pockets that you can tuck full of goodies. Oh, I went a little crazy on that. So yeah, really, really fun. If you're interested, definitely scoop it while you can, because like I said, I think it's been a really big hit everywhere, and it's selling really quickly. So if you want to guarantee that you have yours sooner rather than later, scoop it now. ClassAct.ca, click on shop the month of November, and then you'll find everything in this gorgeous collection from 49 and Market. We have another fun pocket here with like another little oven, some recipe cards. I love this wood grain. This is all done using the 6x6 paper pad. And then they actually also released an essential binder. So this is what I used. This is how it started, and this is how it finished. So ta-da! Then we have this page here, and this one. This, fun fact, was actually designed using the front cover. So you use almost all of your bits and pieces to complete this project if you want to follow it. Or you can do your own thing. You can change up the flow of your pages, and you can change up the tabs, and you can really customize it. Oh, I'm skipping things. Ta-da! People who love to eat are always the best people, bursting with flavor, soups and salads. Little frames here. I wish I had a bigger... Oh, see if I can zoom out. It's a little better. Bigger space to share with you guys. A spotless kitchen is an indication of a life wasted. I agree. My kitchen is always in shambles. To live a full life, you have to fill your stomach first. Family tradition, little fruits and veggies. So these are all from the die cut pack. And then you have this lovely sheet here. Cooking is a bit like cinema. It's the emotion that counts. I think I lost my E. It's the motion that counts. Whatever. And another recipe card on this side. This was just a bonus page that I threw in. So there are some opportunities to add more. And then the back of my album. I love this coffee stain detail. It also translates to the back cover there. So really, really beautiful new collection from 49 and Market. I just had to hop on and share with you guys. I know it's Friday night. I know most of you guys are busy anticipating your weekends ahead, but if you have time over the weekend, this collection is available at the store, so scoop it while you can. On that note, thank you guys for joining me. I hope everyone had a safe and happy Halloween. I know Conrad is just on Sugar Mountain. He came home from school and he's like, candy. So yeah, have a great weekend, and I will see you guys on probably Tuesday. Okay, bye-bye.